Welcome. In front of me is a POCO X8 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. So, to get started, first we will need to turn off our device, and we can do so by pressing the power button and volume up at the same time. And from the boot options, you just want to swipe up to turn off your device. Give it solid like 5 seconds after the screen turns black, just so you're certain that it turned off. And from there, you want to hold power button and volume up. And let go of the power button when you see the POCO logo on a screen. Now, once we have the recovery mode visible, we can let go of that volume up as well. And here it is. So, in here, you'll need to use volume buttons to navigate. So volume down will navigate down, and up go up. And power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now we have three options. We have Reboot, which takes us back to Android. Wipe Data, which consists of just wipe all data. And then we have Connect with Me Assistant, which is a PC program. So anyway, I'm going to actually reboot the device. Reboot to System. And this will bring me back to Android. And as you can see, the process is now done, so we're back in Android. In any case, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.